Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart a Volkswagen Beetle, updated. Open the hood, locate the battery, and remove any plastic covers before connecting cables. Confirm both cars are off and batteries are 12 volts and similar voltage. Position vehicles so cables reach without stretching, and keep metal tools away from terminals. Follow the proper cable order and let the donor car run for a few minutes before attempting to start. Start by identifying the positive and negative terminals on both batteries to avoid mistakes. Connect the red clamp to the positive terminal on the donor battery, then to the positive terminal on the Beetle. Next, attach the black clamp to the donor battery negative terminal and the final black clamp to a solid metal ground on the Beetle away from the battery. Double-check each connection and keep hands clear of moving parts before starting the donor vehicle. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and hit like to support more practical car help. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes post-repair crumbs disappear while you relax. It even handles carpets and hard floors so you don't worry about greasy footprints. Check the description for the product link and deals, and if you want more recommendations, let me know. Now let's get back to the video. With cables secure and donor engine running, wait a few minutes to transfer charge to the Beetle battery. Attempt to start the Beetle while the donor idles, and if it doesn't start, pause a moment before trying again. Once the Beetle starts, keep both engines running and carefully remove cables in reverse order: black from chassis ground, black from donor, red from Beetle, red from donor. Drive the Beetle for at least 20 minutes to recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.